Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to normalize audio in Audacity in 2026. Normalizing can help bring your audio to a more consistent level and make a recording easier to listen to without manually adjusting every section. So let's get started. First, open Audacity and import the recording you want to normalize. Look at the waveform and listen to a few different sections to understand the current volume. Select the audio you want to process. If you want to normalize the entire recording, select the complete track before opening the effect. Next, find the Normalize effect in Audacity's audio effects. The available controls may vary slightly depending on your version. When the Normalize window appears, review the level options carefully. You can usually set a target peak level and choose whether certain characteristics, such as DC offset, should be corrected. For a typical voice recording, choose a reasonable peak level that gives you enough headroom and avoids unnecessary clipping. You don't need to make the waveform as loud as possible. Apply the effect and listen to the result. Normalization changes the overall level, but it doesn't necessarily make quiet and loud parts equally loud. If your recording still has noticeable volume differences, you may need compression or additional editing. Normalization and compression solve different problems, so using both can sometimes produce a more consistent result. After processing, compare the normalized version with the original. Check whether the voice sounds clear and whether any part has become too loud. If you don't like the result, use undo and try a different target level. Small changes are often enough when you're working with spoken audio. Once everything sounds good, save the project and export the final recording in your preferred format. And that's how to normalize audio in Audacity. Select the track, choose a suitable target level, apply the normalize effect, and always listen carefully before exporting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the